This video is based on the original blog by our chief scientist, Dr. John Grasmeder. If you like this video and want to know more, please visit victrex.com/blogs for the full article and more stories by John. With our broad product portfolio of PEEKs, we're often asked, what's the difference between PEEK and PAEK? Let's think PEEK as a family name. It describes the general family of polymers consisting of at least aryl, ether, and ketone building blocks. Over 340 different PEEKs are reported to date, but at Victrex, we focus on semi-crystalline materials because this ensures polymers with good chemical resistance, fatigue, creep, and wear properties. The best-known PEEK is PEEK, and its repeat unit looks like this. Other PEEKs that Victrex manufactures include Victrex HT, which is PEEK, and Victrex ST, which is PEKEKK. As the ratio of ketone to ether increases, so does the glass transition temperature, TG, and the melting point, TM. A higher TG can be desirable for applications requiring higher stiffness and strength at higher temperatures, because this is the temperature above which the polymer changes from being stiff and glassy to being softer and more rubbery. However, there's a compromise here because a higher TM means that the polymer must be processed at a higher temperature, which can be challenging. Typically, PEEKs are processed at temperatures 30 to 60 degrees Celsius above their TM, and realistically, it can become tricky to process thermoplastics much above 430 degrees Celsius. Let's look back at this table. If we look closely, there's something really interesting going on. When we look at the ratio of TM to TG based on the Kelvin scale, we can see that there is a constant ratio of 1.5 between them. And this is a kind of unwritten rule in what we call semi-crystalline all-para PEEKs. At Victrex, we asked ourselves, wouldn't it be great if we could break this rule? Lower the TM without lowering the TG, offering our customers a lower processing temperature whilst maintaining high temperature performance. This was the idea which ultimately led to the PEEKs we call LM PEEKs. It's used in Victrex AE250UD tape and Victrex AM200 filament. These polymers typically have a lower TM-TG ratio of 1.35, and that means the TM and a processing temperature reduced by 40 degrees Celsius, but a TG that is at least as good as PEEKs. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit our blog page, PEEK Matters, for more, and our Change Makers campaign site to explore how Victrex polymers are allowing engineers to challenge the status quo.